taking morning slowly, waking up with the sweet sound of the birds, reading books and sipping coffee. I forgot how much I love getting lost in words. Well, it took us a while to get here. It took the world falling apart, but maybe we needed to take a step back to remember how lucky we are. It's like time is falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight that's keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still and savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. Spend our evenings telling stories and playing games like we're all kids again, sitting on the front porch laughing. It's gotta be the finest medicine. It's like time is falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight that's keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still and savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. This long, this long. It's like time is falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight is keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still and savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. This long.
I was lost in the arms of a foreign nation, in a shop twisted the rain, not to have a conversation. And that's the moment you step in to find some shelter too, and get a word you sing by, girl. Her eyes are reading new, 'cause I don't know what your lips are saying. Don't get a word, but it's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. And just a small hello, that's all that we can say. Doesn't sound like much, but it's enough to make me stay. It's just a small hello, but more than 1,000 words. 'Cause it's a small hello that made my world flip and turn. And then the rain was speaking still. It started pouring. We just ignored the flood and laughed at the thunder roaring. 'Cause the drumming of the rain cannot compete with 1,000 feet and 'cause I don't know what your lips are saying. Don't get a word, but it's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. And just a small alone, it's all that we can say. It doesn't sound like much, but it's enough to make me stay. It's just a small alone, worth more than 1,000 words. 'Cause it's a small hello that made